ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Kesorkar jilla hado menta kadang thaulat ban penyo jaka pule yaki kena school ke badang shukpas yaka examen secondary school leaving certificate menta usnem arajar arpuway harilom jantia hadin bakiladon kumba henrius pa angut ki samla pule ki bampat yo jaka pule haki college ki badan harilom jantia. Ya kani la pentip do menteri rang ba ka jelau Konrad Sangma habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor hakas ni thoding jong ka santarik ubna risau arajar arpuway haka jingle yo kejat jong u hanong ba joai o menteri rang ba ulo ongru baka jing bam yo jaka pule jong ki khna ka dei na ka daw ka jingwan linshop jong ka khlam jingpang covid-19 ha ka babon na ki kim yo alat chu ban peteng ya ka jingle pule sabar jong ka jilla.
Because of the COVID pandemic, a lot of students could not go outside. So there was a more than usual demand for the admissions in the local colleges. So there was a reason, one of the main reasons why there was a spike in the demand for number of seats in here, which may come down in the coming years. That's number one. Number two, initially there were close to 500, 600 students who did not get the admission. And because of the intervention of the local MLA, Wailat Mikishila, and our Deputy Commissioner and the Education Department, they were able to adjust for about 300 to 50 to 400 students were then adjusted, and efforts were made to bring down the number from 600 down to today 150 or 180 of them. So that's number 2 point. Number 3 point is that out of these 180 students who are left, we are encouraging them that there are some other colleges within the district, in other parts of the district, not just in Jowai, but Shampung area also, Amlarem area also. The other areas also have got places, so they can always seek admission there also. And at the same time, certain students, who are eligible to get admission, we will still keep trying from our side, from the Education Department, to try and find out a way to move forward. But this has been an unusually difficult year in terms for the students because of the spike in terms of the COVID, which led to the students not being able to go out and seek admission. So we were trying our best. As I said, efforts have been made, and with that efforts, as I said, 350 plus students have got the admission, and now still 180 are left. So we will see how many we can adjust in the rural areas within the district and in colleges which are there in the district, and further let's see how we can take it forward. So we'll try our best to find a resolution to the issue.